Hello everyone, welcome to this quick video. This is really for my users to make them aware that this is the Patch Tuesday again from Microsoft. That's September 8th, and as we all expected, they have released a whole bunch of patches to fix a lot of vulnerabilities today. Okay, so I just want all of you to be aware if you're following my blog or following my YouTube channel, and I want you to take necessary actions to be safe and secure. So one thing that I noticed for the last 3 months, that the critical vulnerabilities are getting more common. So in July, I think they had 17. In August, the number of critical vulnerabilities they fixed was 18. This month, Microsoft is actually fixing 23 different critical vulnerabilities. Okay, so make sure to get the patch and make sure that test it out and come up with your update schedule and fix your systems. All right, so very quickly, today's security patch, they are fixing 129 different vulnerabilities. It's got a whole bunch of critical vulnerabilities with the RCE. We have not seen any of the vulnerabilities where the exploitation or exploitable code is already available in the market. But a lot of them, as I said, 23 of them are marked as critical by Microsoft. 105 of them are marked as important, and one medium risk vulnerability. There is one particular vulnerability that is getting a lot of attention, is the CVE 2020-16875, which is a memory corruption vulnerability in Microsoft Exchange. And a lot of people are saying that if you're using the Exchange in a traditional way, you might be taking another look at your implementation, how you're using it. Okay, and if you're really impacted by this vulnerability, go ahead and fix it. That should be one of your top priorities. Now, I don't want to give you too much details. There are lots of articles and everything that are available. I just want to end the video with two resources that I typically like and use a lot, that gives me a very nice overview of these vulnerabilities. One is from the ivanti.com resources Patch Tuesday. They release a very nice summary of the Patch Tuesday. This is the homepage, and if I usually register for them and I get this newsletter for them, and they usually have presentation, infographics, blogs, and webinars, all kinds of stuff. And you can even register for the presentation and learn more about the vulnerabilities from them. It's a really nice site and really summarize what you need to do and give you understanding of what's going on different topics. I really like it. The other one I really enjoy is called the Patch Tuesday dashboard. I don't know how many of you know about this one. So this one gives me a very quick dashboard kind of view of Microsoft Patch Tuesday. And for example, I'm here and I have selected here you can select like what to what, like the date range and everything. So here I'm choosing give me all the vulnerabilities from yesterday to today. So today is the Patch Tuesday, so it's picked up 129, as I said already, that Microsoft is fixing 129 vulnerabilities this time. As we said, none of the vulnerabilities are publicly disclosed, so there is no exploitation available that is known to us. 23 of them are critical. Again, exploited is 0. An average CVSS is 6.83. This probably doesn't make too much of a sense, so don't pay too much of an attention to this one. This is probably a more important one. The max CVSS is 9.9, so that should be very serious, right? 10 is the maximum. So it's also give me like nice graph over here, so I can quickly see how many of them are going over CVS Score of 8. So and then if I move my mouse, so this is the Microsoft SharePoint remote code execution vulnerability. It's got one of the highest one, 9.9. I have the Microsoft Exchange memory corruption vulnerability 9.1. I got Microsoft SharePoint server tampering vulnerability 8.9. I got Active Directory remote code execution 8.8. I have another Microsoft COM for Windows remote code execution 8.8. So you can kind of look at it, and based on your organization security posture, you can figure out if you want to patch this a little bit faster than the rest, and come up with your own schedule of when to patch it, and just evaluate the risk. So I'm going to leave you guys with that, and here I'm going to give these two links that I have used. Again, these sites, they're not paying me or anything like that. I just like those sites, and that's why I'm referring to you guys. I think it's useful, and you should. I mean, I think you like it, and once you use it, you may like it too. All right, so here is again a whole data that released by the Microsoft in a nice tabular fashion. Here is a CVS score and like exploitation CV ID. You can click on that and it will take you to the Microsoft website. So it's really nice presentation. All right, so go there and review it, and accept or review the risk, and get started with your patching. Alright, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, leave your comments, and stay safe. Thank you for watching.